we'll guide you through how to use Magic Wand tool in Photopea. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your web browser to access the Photopea website. Double-click your browser icon to open it if it is not already running. Click on the address bar, type Photopea, and then press enter on your keyboard to search. From the search results, select the top option, 𝗡𝗘𝗘𝗗𝗏, to open the editor. Before you begin editing, make sure the photo you want to edit is already prepared and easy to find. Next, select Open from Computer and locate the photo you prepared. Click the photo, then open it in Photopea. Once the editing page finishes loading, press Ctrl+0 to fit the canvas neatly to your screen. To access the Magic Wand tool, look at the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Find the Magic Wand tool in the menu. If you cannot see it immediately, right-click the fourth tool from the top to reveal additional options. You can also access the Magic Wand tool by pressing the W key on your keyboard. After selecting the tool, you are ready to begin using it. Left-click on the area you want to select. Use the zoom feature to inspect the details of the selected area carefully and confirm the selection is accurate. If unwanted areas become selected, hold the Alt key and click those areas to deselect them. Continue adjusting the selection until it matches the part of the image you need. Once the selection is sufficient, you have successfully used the Magic Wand tool. This tool can be used for many editing tasks, including removing backgrounds, creating masks, selecting objects, and making other precise adjustments. By following these steps in order, you have successfully learned how to use the Magic Wand tool in Photopea. As you practice, experiment with different images to understand how the Magic Wand responds to areas with similar colors. Taking a moment to check your work helps produce cleaner, more accurate results and improves your overall editing workflow with consistent practice over time confidently.